And it is Desi and Rocket. And I'm just trying to see here. This one over here is the little girl, and the others are boys. They are 2 weeks old today. This is one of the little boys. This is Hippies. Just starting to get off their feet. See the coat shine, at least. Obviously not coat color yet. I believe that one with the head up is the little girl. And he, of course, is fast asleep. This one is wandering a lot. There you go. Desi, Rocket. Rocket is champion car win Tessier by Innovation. And Desi is champion tag-along Win-Tuck Royal Destiny. So these are Roy,